Automotive Performance. We are doing episode 5 of the 2020 F150 STX build. We're still in our first 30 days of ownership. Still haven't even made the first payment on this thing, but we're going into attack mode. Borla Atak exhaust, black chrome, stainless steel piping. Let's put this thing on this truck, give it some before and after sounds, and some rips up the road afterwards. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for episode 6, our 30-day ownership update. We're going to unbox this Borla Atak exhaust system. We got all the hardware Borla sends, the instructions, and most companies send you stickers, but Borla, they send you the free hat. So we gotta love Borla and the swag they give us, how good these things are packed, all the clamps and hardware together, color, full length instructions, all the packing materials. These pipes are all wrapped separate, and these beautiful, beautiful black chrome tips. Look at those. Start with this exhaust install. We're going to come up to the front connector where the catback hooks to the front Y pipe of the truck. We're going to undo it here. We're going to undo the clamp at the muffler and undo the 3 hangers that are holding them on with 10mm bolts. Pull all that down in one piece, and then we can put our Borla Atak up in place.
I like everything about it. About you. Everything about you. Everything about you.
Now let's hear how she sounds.